Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the CKF Custom Knife Factory Justice here with me for a quick unboxing, unpouching review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see what's in the pouch. Nice velcroed pouch, velvet interior, padded, nicely done, I have to say. You're welcomed with all sort of goodies. You have, of course, your certificate of authenticity right here. You have like in the classic custom knife factory tradition, a nice extra clip if you scratch it, because this is, come on, this is the first thing you're gonna scratch. An extra set of bearings, pivot, stainless steel insert, hardened steel washers, an extra pin, and couple extra screws. I mean, guys, who else is giving you that? You have a patch right over here, and you have a microfiber cloth, and then you have this big boy right over here. This is this is fantastic, guys. Sublime, integral titanium handle, Tashi Bharucha collaboration with Custom Knife Factory. Tashi Bharucha, the logo is right over here. I mean, guys, would you stop for a second and admire the level of milling that went on in this one? I mean, spectacular, just fantastic, kind of speechless. It's beautiful. This is a big boy, guys. Overall length of this one is gonna be 9.2 inches with a 4-inch long blade and a 5.2-inch long handle, and it's beautiful. I mean, look at that. The design is fantastic. It is a titanium frame lock integral. Beautiful design. I mean, zirconium bolster. Look at this milling. It's mesmerizing. It's kind of like hypnotizing me every time I'm watching that. M390 blade, harpoon style, dual tone finish, directional satin finish to the blade, limited edition, of course. I think it's 200 overall made. Fantastically done. Clip is absolutely perfect. The sound this guy makes, it's like this. So it's not loud, which is impressive for a knife this big. Very nice. Absolutely gorgeous action. Drop shotty. I mean, look at this. It's not like a lightweight, because this guy is gonna weigh in at 6.5 ounces, but it's beautiful. I mean, this guy is running on ceramic ball bearings, caged with a ceramic detent ball, and it's just gorgeous. In the hand, it feels great. There's a little bit of hot spot here in the from the pocket clip, and just a little bit in this point right over here. But overall, it feels really good in the hand. And I mean, it's just a beautiful beast of a knife. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.